Oh, what? Okay. Yeah.
Alright, announce out loud how many?
2.
Alright. Put your head all the way on the thing. You can't move it around. Okay, you there? And go. You gotta use it both hands. No, backwards.
Backwards?
Yeah, there you go.
It's not working backwards.
Let me see. Right. Okay, go forward then. 1, 2. Okay, when we go next?
No, it's Grandpa's
turn. Okay, Grandpa, take your glasses off.
How many points did I get?
You got 4 points.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, here, Dad, you gotta spin. You actually have to sit your... What's that, 4? Alright, well, you actually have to put your chin right there on the chin hold. Hold on. That's why I said, let me put your glasses over here. Alright, is it on your chin? And then you turn it 4 times. 1, 2. Okay, Grandpa got no points. My turn. Yeah, you want to videotape me? Alright. Go that way.
Oh man, 1 second. Don't go yet. Okay, you have to spin first.
Alright. Let's see what that is. 3. 1, 2, 3. Gracie's turn.
Oh dang. Okay.
Go. I got 6 points.
Three.
Grandpa's turn.
How many points did I get?
6. Up, Grandpa's turn. Dad's like, next time I'm going first. Because they're just adding up these points on me. Alright, whenever you're ready, Dad. 5.
When you're twisted 5 times,
It's my turn?
Yes.
Alright. With a stronger spring in there, thing. Doesn't hurt.
It just tastes good. 2.
It got me! Gracie's turn. Excuse me, I need a nose wipe.
Which one? 2. Two.
Okay.
How many points do I get?
4.
3.
Oh. Want to take your glasses off?
3.
I don't want your glasses getting broken. 1, 2. 3. Get 6 points.
6.
There it
It's your turn.
is. There. 4. 1. Gracie's turn. What's up with doing 2s? 1, 2.
I don't know.
What?
I don't know how many.
2, 4. Go pop. 4.
Ooh.
1, 2. Dad, you and I are not very lucky at this game.
I'm lucky.
Huh?
I'm lucky.
Take. You're weird. Alright. 5. Yeah, there we go. That's nice. Gracie's turn. 2. Do it again. That one didn't go all the way through the last time. Go on. Game over. I had to get Gracie once.